5 bikini trimmers make this countdown, ending with the one I'd actually buy. The mistake is choosing more attachments than your routine needs. Choose simple trimming, broad coverage, or shave and trim convenience. Number 5. Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. I'd choose this when one grooming session needs several finishing options, whether you're working wet or dry. You get a bikini trimmer, angled foil shaver, rotating exfoliating brush, and a 4-length guide for adjusting the result. But every attachment becomes another piece to clean, organize, and eventually account for when something wears out. Skip this kit if you want a compact detail trimmer, because its accessory-heavy format creates work your routine may not justify. Number 4. Bushbalm the Francesca Body Plus Bikini Trimmer. Dealing with coarse or thick hair changes the priority, so I'd favor cutting ability and easy rinsing over extra heads. Its ceramic blades sit in a contour-oriented, waterproof body, while one charge provides up to 5 hours between charging sessions. The trade-off is regular upkeep, because the included brush should come out at least every 2 weeks. Skip it if you want exfoliating or foil shaving accessories, and remember that the replacement blade path isn't clear. Number 3. Meridian Body Hair Trimmer. Want one tool beyond the bikini line? I'd pick Meridian for coarse hair across underarms, legs, arms, and other body areas. That broad roll makes it easier to justify than a specialized trimmer when several grooming jobs share one drawer. But wider usefulness can become overbuying if your routine only involves careful detail work in one area. Skip it if you need dedicated exfoliating or close shave attachments, because those extras aren't the reason to choose Meridian. Number 2. Philips OneBlade Intimate Pubic Groomer. Here's the straightforward choice I'd make for controlled trimming around tighter contours, without turning the routine into an attachment puzzle. A single edge cutter works with a simple trimming comb, while the slim head and skin protective guard shape its maneuverable design. That setup favors trimming instead of chasing an especially close, razor-style finish, which is the compromise you're accepting. Skip it if smooth shaving is your main goal or you want several grooming heads bundled together. Number 1. Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Razor. I'd buy it when trimming and shaving share one routine, replacing separate tools without becoming a sprawling kit. One waterproof end handles bikini trimming with 4 attachments, while the other uses a 5-blade razor for the closer finishing step. But the dual-ended design only earns its space when you'll genuinely use both functions, and replacement planning still needs attention. Skip it if you only trim electrically or prefer keeping your razor separate, otherwise, Schick offers the clearest all-in-one fit. Remington wins on accessories, Bushbalm on runtime, and Meridian on body coverage. Philips keeps detail trimming simple, while Schick combines trimming and shaving in one routine. Before buying, check storage space, cleaning effort, replacement availability, and whether you'll use every included function. Prices and filters change, so check before you buy. I'd default to Schick for trimming plus shaving. Choose Philips for simpler detail work, or Meridian for wider body coverage. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.